solve an interesting one of the logarithmic equation. So I can see the solution here. Log of 2x minus 5 divided by log of x square minus 8 equal to 1 by 2. Now here we can do the cross multiplication like that. So we get here equation log of 2x minus 5. Here 2 is in multiplication with this 2. 2 log of 2x minus 5 is equal to 1 into log of x square minus 8. 2x minus 5 is greater than 0 and x square minus 8 is also equal to 0. Here 2x minus 5 is greater than 0 and x square minus 8 is also greater than 0. And x square, see here x square minus 8, x square minus 8 is not equal to 1. Here we can say that not equal to 1. Okay, so we can come to here we can solve log of 2x minus 5. Now here log of 2x minus 5 raised to the power 2 is equal to log of x square minus 8. n log of a equal to log of a to the power n. This we have applied here. Okay, so we have to see here log we can cancel both sides. How we can cancel this? F of a is equal to f of b. F of function of a is equal to function of b, then implies that a is equal to b. So we can write like that here, 2x minus 5 whole square equal to x square minus 8. Now here we will apply one of the algebraic identity a minus b whole square. This identity we will apply here, a square minus 2ab plus b square. This identity we will apply here, 2x whole square minus 2x into 2x whole square minus 2x 2 into 2x into 5 plus second that is 5 square is equal to x square minus 8 square. Now we can write here 2 square is 4 and x square is x square minus 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 20, 4 5 is 20, x plus 5 square is 25, 5 square is 25 is equal to x square minus 8. We can write here 4x square, transfer this x square from RHS to LHS, so plus x square becomes minus x square minus 20x plus 25 and minus 8 becomes plus 8 equal to 0. Now we can write here 4x square minus 1x square, that is 3x square minus 20x plus 33 equal to 0. 3 into 33 is equal to 99. Product is, coefficient of x square is 3 and here 33 constant. A multiplies C, that is product is 99 and sum is, how we can factorize this? 99, 11 into 9, but middle term is minus 20, so sum should come minus 20. So we write here minus 11 minus 9 equal to minus 20. So in this way we can factorize. The quadratic equation. And 3x square minus 11x minus 9x plus 33 is equal to 0. Take the common 3 from this first two term, and here take common 3. So take here common x and here take 3. So take a common here x. So here remain 3x minus 11. Here take common minus. So and take common 3. So here remain 3x minus 11. 3 1 3 1 3 3 1 3 equal to 0. Here 3 common, 3x minus 11. So we write here in one bracket, we write here 3x minus 11, another bracket write this x and this minus 3, x minus 3 equal to 0. Now comparing this 3x minus 11 with 0 or x minus 3 with 0. So we get here 3x equal to 11 or x equal to 3. So we can find again here x equal to 11 by 3 or x equal to 3. X equal to 3 implies that x equal to 11 by 3, x equal to 3, and here x square minus 8 not equal to 1 implies that x square not equal to 9. So in this way we can say that x equal to 3 is not satisfy the equation, and this is also not satisfy the equation, and this is the correct solution. This x is equal to 11 by 3 satisfy the whole equation. Which condition satisfy x square minus 8 is not equal to 1? Here we can say that 2x minus 5 is greater than 0 and x square minus 8 is also greater than 0. These two conditions will be satisfied by the equation. So that we can say that here correct value of x is x equal to 11 by 3. So if let's take the recap. Here x equal to 11 by 3. This is the correct value. 11 by 3. This is the correct value. If you are new on the channel, so you can subscribe the channel, share with your friends, and do the good comments. Thank you for watching the whole video.